56-year-old billionaire mogul Drive, Dre photo out on date with 25-year-old Latina. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. 56-year-old Dr. Dre has been going through some serious court battles with his estranged wife Nicole Young. Recently, they have come to a temporary settlement which involves Dre paying Nicole $300,000 spousal support a month. Just a few weeks since the new settlement agreement, Dre was spotted with a Latina woman blowing off some steam. On Thursday, Dre was seen on a date with a mystery woman in Los Angeles. The woman is reportedly 25 years old and is very pretty. She wore a tight bodycon brown dress while Dre dressed in a more casual outfit. The woman was even seen opening the car door was Dre. The dark-haired woman looked delighted to be on a date with the music mogul. Dr. Dre born Andrew Romell Young was seen for the first time in months since the talks about his spousal settlement with ex-wife Nicole Young. Dr. Dre was spotted out last night by the paparazzi, MTO News confirmed, and Dre's new bae was seen smiling as she held her hair back and opened the door for the music icon. Dre is officially a single man now, MTO News has confirmed. Court papers obtained by MTO News also revealed that the temporary arrangement will continue until the pair agree on a lump sum amount as part of a permanent settlement. In court, Nicole admitted they signed a prenup before they got hitched. However, she claims Dre tore up the paperwork years into their marriage. She believes she's entitled to half of Dre's estate worth $1 billion. Dre scoffed at the suggestion he tore up the prenup and is demanding it be enforced in court. Recently, Nicole scored a huge victory after the judge presiding over their case ordered him to pay per month to Nicole. The amount is temporary until a final decision is reached. Earlier this year, Nicole's lawyers were able to convince the judge to allow them to depose 3 women they believe Dre had affairs with during his marriage. The women Crystal Sierra aka Crystal Rogers, Keely Anderson, and Jillian Spear fought Nicole's request they sit for a deposition. However, the judge sided with Nicole and ordered them all to be grilled under oath. On the 5th of January that Dr. Dre had been taken to Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles, California. Dr. Dre's team later issued a statement saying the rapper, whose real name is Andrew Romell Young, was in a stable condition. American rapper and producer Dr. Dre has been discharged from hospital after being treated for a brain aneurysm. A lawyer for the hip-hop star, 56, said on Saturday that he was now back at home, without giving further details. A day earlier, actor and rapper Ice-T said he had spoken to Dr. Dre, describing him as safe and looking good. Thanks to my family, friends and fans for their interest and well wishes. I am doing great and getting excellent care from my medical team, a post on his Instagram read. I will be out of the hospital and back home soon. Shout out to all the great medical professionals at Cedars. One love. Friends and fellow stars wished Dr. Dre well after the reports of his ill health emerged. Ice Cube, his former bandmate in trailblazing 1980s hip-hop group NWA, tweeted, "Send your love and prayers to the homie Dr. Dre." Snoop Dogg, who was discovered by Dr. Dre in the early 1990s, wrote on Instagram, "Get well Dr. Dre, we need you cuz." With NWA and then as a solo artist, leading producer and record label mogul, Dr. Dre shaped West Coast rap and was instrumental in the careers of other stars like Eminem, 50 Cent and Kendrick Lamar. An aneurysm is the enlargement of an artery caused by weakness in a blood vessel wall. Most brain aneurysms only cause noticeable symptoms if they burst, leading to bleeding on the brain, which can cause a very serious condition and can be fatal. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.